5 home improvements that will make you a 300% return on your home sale. The biggest question that home sellers want to know is, which repairs should I do that will actually be worth spending the money? I totally get it. There's no point spending money to get your home ready unless you're actually going to get that money back when you sell. We've got lots of data on what gets the best prices when a home sells. And the improvements I'm going to share in just a minute have been shown to get the highest offers, increasing the return on the money that you spend on these improvements by 3 times. That's a 300% return on your money. What other kind of investment will get you that kind of a return in 60 days? I'm Ellen, your Raleigh and Cary area realtor, and I bring you videos that teach you everything you always wanted to know about buying a home, selling a home, or relocating to Raleigh, as well as fun videos showcasing all the fantastic things there are to do and to see in the Raleigh area. Okay, 5 improvements you must make to your home if you're selling, but one important caveat before you start messing around with updates: please hire a realtor. Your realtor will usually have a design person on staff or a stager that you can talk to for recommendations. I don't want you to spend this money doing these home improvements and then your realtor comes in and is like,
Houston, we have a problem.
Not gonna fly. Hire a realtor. A video can only get you so far. Number 1, carpet.
That's really gross.
That is not the reaction you want when buyers walk through your home. We all walk on our carpets every day, and if you're meticulous about taking off your shoes, we still have oils on our skin, and the weight that carpets bear every day, they just get worn. And I don't know about you, but I can't seem to get my dogs to wipe their feet off when they come in the house. Replace your carpets, or if they're not that old, get them professionally cleaned, but they should definitely look new. Number 2, paint. We usually don't see how dingy our walls have gotten over the years because we look at them every day. But trust me, they're dingy, especially at kid and dog level. You know what I mean, like right about here. Most people don't paint their homes every 3 years, so even if you're one of those whose walls are pristine, you know who you are, your color is most likely dated. A fresh coat of paint will make your home look like no one ever made a mess there, and I won't tell if you don't. Number 3, landscaping. Some of us keep the insides of our home in great condition, and maybe the outside is looking a little shabby. Don't worry, a few little touch-ups can go a long way to getting that wow factor that you really want buyers to feel when they first lay eyes on your home. Mulch. You need it. Go get yourself a truckload. Just kidding, but really, mulch is kind of like coffee and shoes. You can never really have too much. Wait a second, you can have too much coffee.
I need coffee. Extra strong. Double cap. Double cap.
I'm not giving you coffee.
I have no idea how much mulch you need or how big your yard is, but go get yourself some and spread it around because you need it out there. Grass. You also need some grass in your yard. Ideally, plant some early enough that it has time to grow. If the weather isn't right, order more mulch. Trim your bushes, power wash everything, get some nice colorful planters to put on your porch with pretty flowers in them. Weed eat, give everything a nice spruce. Everything looks better with a spruce. Number 4, painting cabinets. If your cabinets are dark cherry or oak or pretty much any dated wood color, you're going to want to paint your cabinets. And please have them professionally painted by someone who specializes in cabinet painting. White never goes out of style, so that's a pretty safe bet. Before I move on to the last tip, if you're thinking about selling your home and you feel like you need a little more information, you can download my guide, 29 Tips to Sell Your Home for Top Dollar. There's a link in the comments below to get it. Number 5, light fixtures. And I don't mean go to the bargain bin at Home Depot and pick up whatever mismatched stuff is left from last season. It should all match and be the same color. Again, light fixtures like paint is another one of those things that can go out of style pretty quickly, so updating all your fixtures to match a modern, updated style will make your home feel brand new. And buyers love that stuff, and you want them to love it. Thanks for watching. If you're on YouTube, click subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss any videos. If you're on Facebook, follow my page, and Facebook might sometimes show you my videos, or maybe not, but you can always find them on my Facebook page. Y'all have a great day. Where they stick their little fingers on the walls with jelly on them. Most people don't hate. Can we make the dog stop woofing? Just let him in. Are you coming in or out? Pick up. You're waiting for you.